Hello friends, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make cold brew at home. This is an extremely popular beverage, pretty much every coffee shop, and super easy to make at home. So this will probably be a shorter video, but let's get started. So the things you're gonna need are you're gonna need a jar that's sealable of some sort. I just have this guy, a mason jar works. An old pasta sauce jar works, really whatever, but I use this jar. And so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grind up our beans. So I'm gonna use this Sumatra from Zuzu's. It's a local roastery and it's super good. This is a really dark roast, so it's gonna give you more of that classic cold brew flavor. Just be really dark, but you can use whatever beans you want. I actually prefer cold brews with medium or lighter roast because I feel like they taste just brighter and a little less acidic, but right now what I have is this, so we're gonna use it, and it's still gonna be delicious, and it's honestly gonna taste more like what everyone imagines cold brew to be like. So for cold brew, you want to have a 1:8 ratio of coffee to water. So I have 800 grams of water measured out already, and then I'm gonna measure 80 grams of coffee beans, and you're gonna grind this to be a pretty coarse grind. You definitely don't want it too fine, but anywhere to that like medium to like super coarse grind is perfect for this. And I'm actually gonna grind it in 2 batches of 40 because my grinder is pretty small and it just doesn't hold that many beans.
So you can't see the beans in this following clip, but just trust me that they are really coarse, and that's what's important.
Okay, so as you can see, I have a really coarse grind right here. There's even some like half beans in there. I mean, you really just don't want this to be fine because it's gonna brew for a really long time, so there's no need for it to be fine like you would for espresso where it brews for about 20 seconds. So we're gonna pop that first batch into the jar like so, and we'll measure and grind that second batch. Okay, so now all of my coffee is in my jar, and I measured out the water into this pitcher earlier, and you're just gonna put it right in there. Okay, so this is what your jar should look like at this point, but you'll see that the top of beans aren't completely saturated. So I'm gonna go grab a spoon and we're just gonna give it one good stir. So I have my spoon and we're just gonna stir it up and just ensure that all of our beans are covered. And now we're just gonna close this and I'll just pop it in the fridge. With the water, it is really important that it's cold water because you don't want it to brew prematurely and extract all those flavors at the beginning, because you're gonna have this in the refrigerator for 12 to 24 hours. 24 hours is preferable, but 12 works too. Just don't have it in there any less than 12. So yeah, I'll be back tomorrow and show you what the finishing steps are.
Okay, so the audio gets weird at the end of this video. I think it's because the dishwasher was on, so I'm gonna make sure to not do that in future videos. But I'm really sorry that the second day there's like this background noise of the dishwasher.
Okay, so I'm back. It's the next day and our cold brew is ready. So as you can see, it's a lot darker than it was before. It's been 24 hours for this one. And yeah, so now it's time to strain it. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna strain it just through the reusable filter on my Chemex. You can use any regular coffee filter. Yeah, just as long as you're getting all the coffee beans out. Okay, so as you can see, there's still a bunch of coffee grounds on the bottom, but most of the water is out, so we're just gonna let it be. And then I'm just gonna move this put the filter on top of where the beans are, and then I'll just transfer all of this coffee into my designated cold brew jar. There's a little bit left in there, but that's fine. You can make some. I mean, especially these are the same beans that I made this cold brew with, so it's totally fine to mix. And there you have homemade cold brew. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, have a nice day. Bye. Well, I don't know. So I have 700 grams. No, it would be 800. Okay, so I have 8 churly, or you want it to be cold water because you don't want it to, yeah.